What's up everyone? In today's video, we're going to be doing a full body strength and conditioning dumbbell workout routine. To get started, we're going to have our warm-up, our main workout, our cardio core finisher, and then our cool down and stretches. For the main workout portion, we're going to be covering 4 exercises: our dumbbell clean to press, our goblet squat to press, our renegade rows, and that's going to be the main portion. So go ahead and choose some dumbbells that are going to challenge you for about 2 to 4 sets for the workout, as well as 8 to 12 repetitions for each exercise. Okay, for our first exercise, we're going to do dumbbell clean to press. So go ahead and get your dumbbells, get a nice good squat stance, and right about when the dumbbells meet your knees, go ahead and drive through the legs, pop the hips, get the dumbbells to the shoulders, and press them up. That's going to be 1. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. For our next exercise, we're going to do dumbbell goblet squat to press. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For the next exercise, we're going to do a renegade row. You can do them modified on the knees or hands and feet. Ready? Go. Pulling to the hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Other side. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And for our fourth exercise, we're going to do burpees. Everyone's favorite. Ready? Go. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, down, up, 5, down, up, 6, down, up, 7, down, up, 8, down, up, 9, down, up, 10, down, up, 11, down, up, 12. Awesome. Okay, now for our core finisher. For this routine, we're going to have 3 exercises, and you can do them for 10 reps. You're going to do 2 to 3 sets through for the core finisher. So to demonstrate with just body weight, leg raises for 10. Okay. The further your hands out are to the side, the harder, more challenging it will be. Next exercise, with your feet straight out, you're going to overlap your hands like a dive position and sit up. That's going to be 1. Okay. And for the third exercise, we're going to do Russian twist, side to side. That's going to be 1. Okay. Now with the weight, that's what I'm going to demonstrate and do mines with. Let's go ahead and start. leg raise. I'm gonna hold my weight above me like this and lower and raise my legs. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Sit up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And Russian twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. So that's going to be it for the core finisher. Go ahead and do each exercise 10 reps, 2 to 3 rounds all the way through. And now we're going to move on to our cool down and stretch. For our first stretch, go ahead and bring your legs nice and straight in front of you, reaching down for the toes. I'm going to breathe for 5 good breaths through each stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can hold each stretch for about 20 seconds. That'll be more than enough. Left leg out, right leg in, reaching across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side, right leg out, left leg in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Both feet in front, but go ahead and go a bit wide and reach down the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Bringing the legs back in, butterfly. Reaching hands in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. From here, I'm going to plant my feet, and notice how I drop my legs left to right, but I'm checking to make sure my legs are in a 90 degree, so hip in line with my knee, knee in line with my ankle, and same thing on this side, hip in line with my knee, and knee in line with my ankle. So a nice good L shape in each leg. Now I'm going to move left to right. 1, 2, getting that hip stretch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. I can definitely feel a lot more tightness on my right side. Okay, awesome. From here, we're going to flip over, coming down into a pigeon stretch. So I'm taking my right leg in front, dropping down to my elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Other leg, left leg in front, right leg back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. From here, we're going to finish with the hips down and hips up. Okay? Downward dog. And hips down. Cobra stretch. 1. And just going through the motion, breathing. 2. 3. 4. 5. And last stretch, hands in front, bringing your hips back into child's pose. Awesome. Come on up. All right, everyone, that's going to be it for today's workout. Awesome job. Thank you for joining me. And as always, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. I appreciate you watching. Thank you. Have a nice day. Peace.